mi gente? Marco here again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the best platforms to use when you're looking for jobs in crypto. And I think right now, with all the negative sentiment that is going on, I think it's the best opportunity, that you have to get into this space. Right now, there's a lot of great, amazing companies that are hiring literally every day that make so much money in revenue, and they're building great, amazing products. So I think now is the best time to join it. We're going to be going over this tweet by Juicy World. He has some great, amazing platforms. I'm going to be giving out some of my platforms of my own. So yeah, if you like the content, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Also, remember to retweet and like Juicy's post. So the first one we're going to start off, and obviously you guys know me, I'm a Solana maxi, but I think one of the best platforms to use if you're looking for jobs is jobs.solana.com/jobs. They have over 526 jobs opening currently, and they're always hiring. They're always looking for great, amazing talent. They have some different job functions. They have accounting, finance, administration, data science. So whatever it is, whatever your background is, I think there is a job for you at Solana. Also, if you do not find a job here that you kind of like, Solana has what they call super teams all around the world. They have in the Emirates. They also have in the Balkan region. I think they have one in the UK. They have super teams all over the world. So if you're one of those regions that they have a super team, go out, chat with them, see if you're building something, whatever your background is, go leave your resume. You never know, you might have the opportunity of a lifetime. The next one is Crypto Jobs List. This one, I do. They have some great opportunities here as well. But this reminds me, it's like so cluttered and it's like all over the place. Like it can get like se dice abrumador in Spanish. Like it could be like a lot in my opinion. But there's obviously some great, amazing job opportunities right here as well. And also, all of these have different opportunities, right? They all have like different job openings, so I recommend you searching all of them. This one looks like it's not updated as much. This one I do like, cryptocurrencyjobs.co. This one I like more because it looks more like the Solana one, so it looks like really neat, precise. They have everything right here like in straight lines, so I do enjoy that, and it looks like it's updated more regularly. This one they updated more regularly. They post about like 3 or 4 jobs almost every day. So you see 1 day, 2 days. So yeah, they update it almost regularly. The next one is cryptojobs.com, and this one they don't update it as regularly, and there are some featured jobs and they have some latest jobs. But you see, the latest one was updated like 4 days ago, and as well as this is crypto jobs, but not so more Web 2, but I think not some more Web 3, but more Web 2 as well. So you see like here Cash App, you see JP Morgan. So some more established companies in these ones. You see Robinhood here too. So this, like, if you have a Web 2/Web 3 background, this is the one I would recommend to use. Anyways, remember I was talking about the super team. So if you are not as lucky, to land a job, you can still earn while working in crypto. They have this team is called earn.superteam.fun. So you could create videos, you could create content. I know content is not for everyone, right? But if you are looking to earn some extra money, there are some like bounties, rewards that you could definitely gain. You could write threads, make videos, whatever it may be. And I think this is really amazing and it stands out, right? The last thing I'm going to say is going to be at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I think this is a great opportunity to get people to know you, right? I think the most important thing is like getting people to know you, right? The difference between crypto and regular Web 2 is that you could go straight up to JP Morgan. Well, not so much now, but back then you could go out there to whatever hedge fund, whatever, bank, just leave your resume and boom, bam, beam. If they like you, you probably get the job that same day. In crypto, and right now how the job market is, everything is kind of done online or remotely, so it is a little bit harder now. So the main thing is people getting to know you, and hopefully they do. Now this one is for people that are in New York. Is buildinnyc.com/jobs/blockchain. This one is also more geared to like Web 2 and Web 3. They have also, they have Coinbase, MasterCard. They have some, big players here too. So if you are in New York City, I recommend you search this one up. They have a great, amazing opportunities. And last but not least, jobs.a16z.com. So this one, they have over 1,762 jobs. Obviously, some of these jobs are not updated as recently, but a lot of them have been posted recently. So this one definitely, it gives a vibe of more experience, right? A lot of it is like working in AI, engineering jobs, but they also have other roles that you could search right here. So they have a lot of great emerging opportunities. If you're in marketing, if you're a senior software engineer, sales, whatever it may be, this one is for you. As well as kind of my last recommendation, if you are looking for jobs and if you like a specific blockchain, if you like a specific protocol, whatever it may be, they more than likely have a careers tab on there. So for Ondo Finance, they have the careers right here. If you go and look at their careers, you could definitely apply straight from the platforms, right? You don't have to just go into like these different job boards. You could go straight to a platform that you like, whether it's Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Arbitrum, whatever it may be. They more than likely have a careers that you can apply. Or if not, just email them. Obviously, when I email them or when I email, people in Web 2 or Web 3, they're like, oh my God, it's more than likely they think you're a bot, whatever it may be. And this is personally speaking from people I have contacted before and I met them in real life. They're like, oh my God, emailing is not the best way, in my opinion, but it is some way, right? It is something and it is getting your voice out there. And who knows, they might respond. So email would be my last resort. But still, if they haven't responded, definitely try and reach out to them. Anyways, let me know what you think about the video. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have used any of these platforms. Which one is your favorite? Which one is your least favorite? I mean, all of them is not I have a favorite one, but I think all of them do their job, and hopefully you can land a job. Anyways, let me know in the comment section if you're working in crypto, if you could find a job for some of my subscribers, whatever it may be, or if you're looking for a job, I could maybe try and help you guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.